tawag ito eh. Rule 128. Rule 128. Rule 128. Section 1, evidence. Evidence is the means sanctioned by these rules. These rules of ascertaining a judicial proceeding when the truth respecting the matter of fact. Section 2 as Section 2 scope. Section 2 scope. The rules of evidence shall be the same in all courts in all trial, hearing, except as provided by the law or these rules. Section 2, admissibility of evidence. Evidence is admissible when it is relevant to the fact issued. Evidence is admissible when it is relevant to the fact issued and it's not excluded by the law or these rules. Section 4, relevancy in collateral matter. Evidence must have relation to the fact issued. As to induce belief in its existence or non-existent. Evidence on collateral matter shall not be allowed except when any reasonable degree establish the probability, improbability of fact issued by the court. Rule 129. What's not need to be proved. Section 1, judicial notice when mandatory. When shall take judicial notice without the introduction of evidence. Introduction of evidence, existence and territorial extent of states, their political history, forms of government and forms of governments, nationality, the law of nation and admiralty, maritime courts, world of their seal, political constitution and history. Philippines, the official act of legislative, executive judicial departments of the Philippines, the laws of nature, measure of time, and the geographical division. Section 2, judicial notice when discretionary, when court may be judicial notice of matters are public knowledge capable of unquestionable demonstration ought to be known to judges because of the judicial function. Section 3, judicial notice when hearing necessary. During the trial, the court its own initiative request party may announce the intention to take judicial notice of the matter and allow the parties to be heard after the trial before judgment. Appeal the proper court on its own initiative. Requests of party may take judicial notice of any matter and allow any matter. Allow the parties to be heard. Such matter the decisive material issue in the case. Section 4, judicial admission. Judicial admission, verbal or written, made by the party. Courses of the proceeding. Same case does not require proof. The admission may be contradicted only by showing made through palpable mistake or no much admission was made. Rule 130, rules of admissibility. Object evidence or real evidence. Section 1, object as evidence are addresses to the senses of the court when an object is when an object is relevant to the fact issued. The fact issued. It may be exhibited, examined. It may be exhibited or examined. Fudge. It may be exhibited or examined. It may be exhibited or examined by the court. By the court. Documentary evidence, documentary evidence, section 2. Documentary evidence consists of writing or any material containing words, letters, number, figure, symbol, other modes of written expression offered as a proof of their contents. Section 1. No. Section 3. Original document must be produced. Exemption when subject of inquiry, contents of document, no evidence shall be admissible other than original itself, except the following. A. When an original has been lost or destroyed, cannot be produced in court without bad faith on the part of the offerer. When an original custody under the control of the party against the evidence is offered, the latter failed to produce reasonable notice. C. Original consists of numerous account Wala na ko mano. Number second, utok gamit utok. Other document cannot be examined in the court. My God. Without the notice of and but to be established from the general resort of the whole. D. When original is a public record. Custody of public officer recorded in a public office section. Kahinga. Section 4, original document. The original document. Original document 1 content which the subject of inquiry. 2 document 2 or more content executed about the same identical content. When equally regarded fudge. Equally regarded. Oh my God. Equally regarded. Original saan ako? Rule 131, burden of proof and presumption. Section 1, burden of proof. Burden of proof is the duty of a party to present evidence, facts in issue necessary to establish the claim by the amount by the amount of evidence required by the law. Section 2 conclusive presumption. The following instance: conclusive presumption. A whenever the party has his own declaration of act or omission intentionally and deliberate to another believe a particular truth upon such belief he cannot in any litigation out of such declaration omission permitted to be the tenant not permitted to deny the title of the title of the landlord of any time commence of the relation landlord and tenant between them. Section 3 disputable presumption are satisfactory if uncontradicted and overcome by other. A person is introduced of crime or wrong. B unlawful act done with unlawful intent. Person intend ordinary consequence of his voluntary act. D. A person takes ordinary case concern. E. Evidence willfully suppress suppress would be adverse to produce. F, money paid by another was due to latter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, strongly delivered by one another belongs to the latter. F, obligation delivered upon the debtor has been paid. The rent installment has been paid with receipt for the latter one is produced. A person found possession A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. A person found possession of a thing taken doing recent wrongful act, and the doer whole act otherwise. Person possess exercises act ownership owned by him. Okay, person in the possession of an order himself for payment of money. Delivery gamit utok pay the money. The official duty has been regularly performed, and the judge acting taasa ay limot mo ka to eh. Oh shoot. Saan ako? Fuck, kalimot ako. J, K. The official duty has been frequently performed, and judge acting whether the Philippines Philippines. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wala na. Blanking na. Kita sa ulo eh. Whether the Philippines or anywhere acting lawful. Nandiyan ako taman dyan ba. Oh my God. Hindi pa na ako mag-memorize. Acting lawful. Acting lawful. Kita na eh. Acting lawful. 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 In jurisdiction of jurisdiction. In jurisdiction. In jurisdiction. In jurisdiction. Or in or jurisdiction. Ano ako pa? Asa ay, sabi ito, kalimot na ako ay. Alabad na ay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. The private transactor has been fail regularly. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N P Q wala na ako Q, please. Mara dyan akong kaya. Ikado ako tulog. Q need na dyan ako mag-study. Memorize pa. Babada na oy. Ulo part. Q, ordinary ba to? The course ordinary. Oh my God, it's rumbling up. The private last is the private transaction have been have been, oh my god, have been, uy, have been, my god, have been ordinary, dili, pikas nito siguro, lagi pikas na ito, ordinary, culinary, courses, ordinary, have been, oh my god, tama na siguro, no, have been, private transaction, have been, God, makalimot lang ano pa lang sa mga personals, ulba ng sumot, evidence, dili man na evidence sa mains 128 pa na evidence sa mains have been, evidence sa mains asserting and judicial proceeding with respect to the matter of fact. Have been, mauro to makaya sir, mauro to kung kaya sir, wala na human.